In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the thumbnail issue on Windows 10 computer. Sometime, say for example, in here I have a folder. If you can see, I have JPEG and movie files, but I cannot see what is in these JPEG or movie files. So it is a thumbnail issue. There's an easy way to fix this thumbnail issue. To do that, you are on the folder, and then you can go to view here and click option and go to change folder and search options, and then go to view and make sure this checkbox is unchecked. That is always show icon, never thumbnail, because we want thumbnail in addition to the icons. So I'm going to uncheck this one, apply, and you see everything showing up now. If this doesn't fix the issue, I'm going to show you another way to do that. Right click on your this PC. You also can go to your search and type in this PC, and you can right click on here too. I'm going to go here because I am already on the folder. So I'm going to right click properties. I have a multiple screen, so I'm going to drag it over here. Go to advanced system settings and go to settings here and make sure you are on the visual effects tab. You need to look for two things here. Save taskbar thumbnail previews. Make sure it is checked. Also make sure show thumbnails instead of icons is checked. We want thumbnails. Apply. Okay. Sometime this also doesn't fix your problem completely. So what you have to do is go to your search, type in disk cleanup, and click on this one. And then you will see something like this. And you make sure you are on the right folder. C will be your system drive. Click OK. You can select everything for a cleanup. Make sure you go down here and clean up thumbnails and temporary files. What it does is it clean up all your thumbnail cache. In here you also have 2.12 GB temporary files. So you are going to make a lot of space here. Click OK. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Yes. Now it is cleaning up. Okay, it is done. I'm going to close everything and reopen my folder. And you see, when I open a folder, it recreates everything. Let's go to another folder, and you see it is recreating everything now. So this is the effect of you deleting all your thumbnail cache, and then you are recreating everything. Hope this video is helpful for you. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification.